This is Jack, a 12-year-old John Mule. You can head on him, heel on him, rope calves, doctor cattle in the pasture, turn him out for a year, let your little sister get on him, crawl all over him. He's easy to trail ride. He's been rode anywhere and everywhere. He's easy to handle, he's gentle. His only blemish on him is right here on his nose. He's got a scar, doesn't affect him any. He's sound, one of the best mules you're ever gonna find in the country to do whatever the heck you want on him. He's been packed in the mountains. Just a really easy animal to be around.
I wake up every morning in a different place and time. I thank God that I can live the way I choose. Though at times the road gets lonely, I can't settle down. I gotta win, 'cause I can't stand to lose. 'Cause I was born to be a cowboy, full of dreams and broken bones. God, it ain't an easy life, but it's the one I chose. And I was born to be a champion, I can feel it in my soul. 'Cause every time I win, it just keeps driving me home. She lies asleep in the snow-capped peaks of the Tetons and Yellowstone. She sings to me of sad memories of days when the buffalo roamed. The white-faced cow is grazing now on the plain where the longhorn trod. And a red-skinned man has a calloused hand from turning Oklahoma sod. And now I love to gaze at the color change in her hills of Tennessee, or to smell the rain on her sun-baked plains with a good horse between my knees. There's the ghostly strain of a wagon train. The desert takes its toll. The life she gave was the price she paid for the walls of the Alamo. Steel rails roll toward her western coast. She's moving her people on. Now the buildings high dot her sunset skies. The moving keeps her people strong. And now I love to gaze at the color change in her hills of Tennessee, or to smell the rain on her sun-baked plains with a good horse between my knees. I hear the deadly sound of a cannon round. She sets her people free. Where brave men died to protect her rights, make a home for you and me. Yes, brave men make America great. Just look what they have done. I'm proud to say that the Lord has made me one of America's sons. And now I love to gaze at the color change in her hills of Tennessee, or to smell the rain on her sun-baked plains with a good horse between my knees. The sweet smell of rain on her sun-baked plains with a good horse between my knees.